Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be boxing the LIL WOODZEEZ. This is the Health Snuggle Bear family. And it comes with a book and the whole entire bear family. The baby, the sister, the dad, and the mom. And yeah, hopefully we'll do more LIL WOODZEEZ unboxing. Okay, let's open this up. So, yeah. Let me unbox this. Okay, maybe we should unbox the family first. Oh my gosh, this stuff is so hard to unbox. Oh, there. Oh, yes. Ooh, this is hard. Okay. Maybe we can push her. There. Oh gosh. Plastic mania. Uh-oh. Where's the book? Where's the book? Oh, here it is. I flipped the whole thing around. There it goes. Let me grab that. A little hat. I'll put right there. Healing Paws Health Center. Oh, there's a map. Oh, so cute. Okay, well, so there is a school, the Agility Raccoons, the craft shop, with Puff Skunks, Hopping Good Rabbits, farm stand, Tidy Shine Turtles, Water Waggle Beavers, Handy Dandy Mice, Fire Station, Who's Who Owls, Health Center, Swifty Sweeper Hedgehogs, Stage, Bushy Tail Squirrels, Kindergarten. Wow, that was a lot of hard to. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, we have this one right here that we've done. Okay. Oh gosh. Oh wait, doesn't it say their names on it? Yeah, it does. Don't know the name. Let's get it out. Oh yes. There it goes. Oh, come on, Dr. Todd is his name. Please come out. Come out, come out, come out, come out. Need it harder. Oh! There we go. 2 down, 2 to go. Oh! I got the little baby. 3 down. Wait, 3 down, 1 to go. We also have a chef hat. Okay. Oh, yes, I did it! Huh. Oh, there. looks to be the mom, I think. I have no idea. I've never unboxed LIL. I already forgot the name of these. LIL WOODZEEZ. Let's see who their names are. Okay, here it goes. This is Hazel, Dr. Todd, Dr. Barbara, oops, and Romeo. He's a baby. And then this goes on Dr. Barbara, the mom. Oh, wow. This might not fit on the mom. This is how far it's fitting. It just won't stretch over to the other ear. Got it. Yes. We did it! Good job, guys. There. Okay. We unboxed all of them. Now the book. Welcome to Honeysuckle Hollow. Hey, these are all the families. Well, they don't have a lot of families. There's pretty much turtles, beavers, mice. Also sold separately. Reducers and rescue crew. Okay. Okay. Oh, probably that. Okay. Well, that was shorter than I thought it would be. Oh, wait, can we get this off? Come on, Romeo, we can do it. My neighbors have a dog named Romeo. Oh, gosh. Oh, ow, it hurts. This hurts. Wait, I want to see if they have the Dalmatian family. They don't. That's weird. They probably came out with a new one since this says it came out in 2010. Can't talk today. Okay, well, here's out here. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. Subscribe and like is all I have to say. So yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe. I have a little green there, and this one's normal.